Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm gonna share with you very beautiful handbag design ideas. In this video, you can see different types and different colors in the shade of leather type bag design ideas. You can see different types of colors and shapes. So guys, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm thankful to all those people who subscribe my channel. So guys, please press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you get all the notification of my video. So guys, if you want to see more collection like this, so visit my channel. You can find different types of dresses design ideas and clutches and shoes. So I hope you like my today's video.